Hey, good morning, everyone. Been just out working in the shop this morning. It's about a little after 11 right now, but we're dealing with this ice storm right now. So I just thought I'd take you outside here a little bit and show you what we got going on. So still people driving. There's a lot of businesses and stuff closed. It's sleeting out right now. The power has blinked a couple times, but we haven't lost it yet. But I got the gas cans filled up and the generator ready to go. So let me show you out in the field out here behind me. Show you all the water laying. In the field. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me zoom in here. All the water laying in the field. Let's go look at the drainage ditch here. Sorry about the camera movement. The wind's starting to pick up again. Wind's out of the northeast. Oh yeah, the drain in the backyard is pretty full. Back out here a little bit. That's the pipe from my sump pump. Sump pump's been running non-stop. So we're supposed to get 2 inches of rain. There's supposed to be a little lull, and I think the lull is going on right now. And then tonight it's supposed to switch over to all snow, and the weatherman says we're supposed to get between 1 inch and 4 inches of snow tonight yet. So I don't know if you can see that sleet or not, but it's coming down pretty good. So I've just been working out in the shop this morning, just cleaning stuff up. Let's get inside out of the weather. Whew. So I've just been cleaning up the workbench, getting stuff organized. Still working on the flag. I still haven't gotten the stars yet. Yesterday I ran out to the cabin and spent the day out there. That area of Michigan where our cabin is supposed to be all snow, not as much rain out that way. So I guess that's a blessing. And I think we got a chipmunk in the cabin too. I sat down in my recliner rocker out there, and there's acorns. Acorns are inside my rocking chair rolling around. So, and I found some droppings inside the cabin too. So we got a critter inside the cabin. So I set out some traps. Hopefully we'll get that taken care of. And I'll probably get out there again next week and go check the trap and so forth. But yesterday I did pick up one other item. So I'm going to pull that out and show it to you right now. So here we go, my new purchase. Hang on a second. Okay. Here we go. This is my new purchase that I purchased yesterday at Home Depot. It's $2.99. Had 10% off coupon, and I made some other purchases. So, but one of the other YouTubers that I enjoy watching is Jesse James Homestead. Shout out to Jesse. That's my heat kicking on. Anyway, that guy has so many chainsaws, it's unbelievable, but he's got a lot of the Echo. I never thought I would ever buy an Echo. All my chainsaws are Steels, and they work really good, but he's got Echoes, especially the CS400, and he raves about them, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing and test this thing out and see if it meets my approval. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box. Alright, here it is. Let me cut this off. It came with the instruction manual, the safety manual. One impressive thing is it comes with a 5-year. If you just use it as a homeowner, not a professional, it comes with a 5-year warranty. So I thought that was pretty good. It came with a tip guard to mount at the end of the bar. I probably won't put that on. Of course, came with the wrench. Came with this bottle to mix up to a 51 ratio for gas. I usually use the pre-mixed stuff in mine. I did pick up an extra chain. I got the Oregon chain. The Echo chain was, I think, 24 and some change. This was 21 and some change, so a few dollars cheaper, so I just went ahead and picked up the Oregon chain. And so I just need to get this thing oiled up and fueled up. And depending on how this storm works out, if we got any down trees, I'll be putting it to use here real quick. So that's my new purchase. Kind of excited about it. Seems to be a real good saw. It's got some weight to it, but I think it's 42 cc. Don't quote me on that. That's what I think it is. But so you'll be seeing this in future videos, and I'll keep you posted on my review of it. So that's all I need to show you today. I gotta get at this flag and get this thing done. I wanted to get it to the customer this weekend, so I just got the stars to go here, and I want to knock this out. And hey everybody, welcome back. Just a quick update here. I did get the stars done on the flag. I'll show you that right now. Right there, everything looks good. There's a couple knots that were in the union part. I tried to avoid putting knots in that location, but I was able to work with it, and I've had good experiences and bad experiences. There it is. So let's go ahead and go outside and see what the weather's like now. So I heard the snow truck go by not too long ago, but now it's just pretty much snowing out, I guess. Snow sleet mix. So See what it's doing right now. Let's go check the drain, see how full it is. I think it was getting fuller. I went down to the basement and the sump pump was probably turning on about every minute and a half. It was pumping water out. That, my friends, is my fire pit underwater. So yeah, the water has definitely risen some more. I don't know, it's been probably 3 hours or so since I filmed it. So yeah, it's getting pretty nasty out here. So hopefully you're all doing good. The wind's picked up a little bit too, but we haven't lost power, but local news said there's thousands of people out in the county that we live in, so luckily we haven't lost power. Hopefully it stays that way. So just wanted to give you a quick update. Flag, I finished up the Union, and the weather. So hopefully everybody in the path of the storm, whether you're getting the snow or you're getting ice and rain like we are here, stay safe, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.